singing praises. No, they are part of the problem.
Omo criticizing. Okay.
And I feel say the NDC government has not been proactive enough.
Okay.
There is also no me say omo proactive now. Prove it if I to force in them. Right. The MPP cannot absolve themselves of the blame. They cannot try to make it appear say they did something extraordinary in the sector. One, the NDC can also not absolve themselves of blame. They are part of the problem. I'll share my views here. Where cocoa? So what's on cocoa? That what be.
Oh yeah, but Makodi will be a from that yeah. Obama midi.
Me de maye ni nyina ya bi da. Ti kokko de minimu kakra. Okwa ne abeye buha Ghana ha nyina na say.
Right.
Aban say 64 kg kokko na no ton 3625 cedis no. Enne obeton 2587.
Right.
Ni aban explanation de benya man for person agitu me say world price no aba from.
Mamen kai tie for say live on Facebook. Inti the Eugene nyina no ya project of Facebook ubetumi abehwe diagram ya odi ato on graph no the actually nyina brand.
That what hwe cocoa price no you can see that it's been on a trajectory.
We know say shiki kakra if you can yes,
it's okay. It's okay.
Interrupt here. Godfred Remano mami. Ebisu Nhyira 104.5 yegusu aye yekoko hu nsensem no a ugina dia na agya nti ombehwe non titan no mami enye sa sheki na ye dede pa nti yegusu aye wura mu na Eugene Osei-Tutu at the FM and he's already indicated Odifred Godfred mami he's already indicated say untumi enyi NDC ni MPP mfiri sa asemimu nti he's proving the fact say and no maybe wo ha akoso a eno hia se yetime hwe ne yie e ba manwoku ni nyina no yehu de obi ayeye nti eno ne ye be ka ne nei a wo tutu ne sere ne abasasa kai se top tier study abroad consult se obekwa amanone akosua de se UK USA Canada Australia South Korea Spain France ni ade ni nyina SAT sorry GRE in sorry ni nyina so obeye classes ama wabetumi atwa ne yie pa wo scholarship opportunities ahodo visa no o pa eden pa so mbedi animu aye bibia ma Kumasi Amakum Bank of Africa enchen hono mo 0260 411847 0260 411847 Accra so enye hwa eye ono ne side kohwe de ebo no hono emame eshiki a otani ana eshiki Accra One Medina Polyclinic edin hwe animu 0203 592008 0203 592008 Takrade NK City Night Club Fija Road one no 0598 007 852 0598 007 852 TikTok, Facebook, all the social media handles nina ubenya or monafi what we know matching and como. All right, let's check it out. Say BBI fine. Yeah.
Agwa yeah.
Sure.
Agwa 1947
yes, better.
He established the cocoa marketing board, which has metamorphosed into Cocobod.
Right.
The three key reasons are utie the speech of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah in 57 about cocoa house now was one, the cocoa marketing board, which has metamorphosed into Cocobod, was to protect farmers, cocoa farmers, you know.
Yeah.
Two, stabilize the cocoa industry.
Right.
Sure. Industry. And three, produce quality beans for export.
Okay.
Okay. These are the three thematic areas. Tiyamkoso. Abanse ninti ya wati cocoa nozo from 36 million about 25 million. 3,600 about 2,500 and say world price of cocoa no aba from, and it's true. Cocoa can be a truism.
Yeah.
So it's a truism sampa. Cocoa price and aba from.
Yeah.
But cocoa price the bar from no. Abanse wateso. But this has been Cocobod's scorecard. Ghana's cocoa production. This has been the trend. I quite had here. Over screen about from 2020 to 2021 we produced 1 million. Right. Since then, we've been on a downward trajectory. It's been producing cocoa. No, say you see producer no.
The do I and sort.
In fact, in 2023, you kwaji loan. If we be forward contract, mamina na minchichim kakra.
Right.
The Cocobod and say, if we be forward contract, I see a train and say, me produce cocoa beans 10.
Right.
Ma misika 10 cedis na me fen kobo cocoa season no ho bra. Me tia na me da betua. So forward contract basically means is that selling your product at an agreed price today to deliver in the future. What I say, any friend a forward contract, and that's a forward sale. Say, me ton ade, me ton amount, ma misika ne, ya agree price and ba me de ade in the future. Sana Cocobod didn't do
this. Sika bi besia wa. Yes, you're ready.
Yes, me de ade na bro. Again, the fair be spot pricing. Spot prices in pay ya me need na we ya near dia no ade wa ade na matima jimsika.
Okay, just
send your told provision store no.
Right.
Yes, spot pricing.
Okay.
But forward the provision store no coin no say brodo ni ho. But mo agree say okay brodo na say 10 cedis what you 10 cedis nika. Na brodo no chana na brodo ba no dia bro na forward sale.
Right.
That's the difference.
Right.
Once that be a friend FOB price kaka kan nya chese FOB ni ye Cocobod sika omunya no. You can FOB because there are 3 components. The production and the buying of the cocoa beans. What transport to cocoa beans that could do port. While do cocoa no dey ship no so no. And on the friend FOB price, that's the contributing factor of an FOB price. So ship ni two nipa na wo 2 beans every cocoa no no ene ka Cocobod na wo wie. The Cocobod sika na wo je no. O di port wo the ship the cocoa ni bu shape ni so wie ono wo wie, that's FOB. Ship ni two nya kenya ya wo nsam.
Okay.
O buy ansa kokwa ata say. It's 2023 na ya bo ka yentiment deliver cocoa na issue ba no. MPP ka ho. Tell me say they cannot absorb themselves of the blame.
Right.
Ahano ha galamsey ka ho. Slowly shoot diseases, climatological
contracts.
Yes, climatological issues here there. But kokwa see me make say when issues come, we firefight. Ghana na yempe no kre. Ahokwa men can say ban se sika ni nyina ama wo.
Right.
But enu a wo hwe ya all the communicators of NDC yes remo enu ate keje wo UTV.
Yeah.
Also pa Cocobod for cocoa farmers chow. Enya no na mahama person yema wo. Me say tie lawyer Bernard Beidu ekoti MP asempa. Also wo sere wo. Enya ne mahama apema cocoa farmers ni. Me tie recopoku agric minister wo nia. Okay, the same thing. If indeed say price number from na mo 70% of FOB ni chene say Cocobod ton cocoa no nya 10 cedis a amount 7 cedis. Now see ene as price na so atia be 8 cedis. It woman 90%, it is around 7 cedis 20 pesos. Why are you still apologizing? Presentation.
What justify wanamu tu na wie?
Yes.
Inti aden na wo say patch.
Aden na wo kase me se obi enkoti asem FM. You Bernard Beidu ya koti MP. O se nya no na mahama pesa oyema mo. Erukaji ko UTV or repeat the same thing. Erukopoku ekonomia or repeat the same thing. Me share live full interviews. Why are they apologizing? Say 3 months ni na Cocobod so ni sika no. Me di cocoa ni tu fie me nya bone. Ko kratch ni se wo ni sika ma me. Me de say cocoa no ko 64 kg me nya 3600. 36 million tete no. 3 months ni me nya bone bia o. Afa na Cocobod so ma say to force nko fe 150 million ko to cocoa no system ni no. Na me de kwa kratch ni say price asesa. Ya ma me 2005. Adanya aban say world price number from to ma me 90%. Akokwa do you think the farmers will agree?
Na say wo aban no akra so na wantimi ama meje. Media nka media na ready from your what you are saying. Me cocoa na ready.
And that's what I'm saying. That's the truth. Because in the last 3 months, na Cocobod ni sika o de bede. Ebeto. And I make us say, Cocobod ni sika no de beto no. Is it the fault of the farmer?
Debbie.
Okay. Enti me na ko kratch ni ni ho no. Me ma me cocoa. Ma ko kratch ni so ni score de be ma na me cocoa ni ko fie.
Yeah.
After 3 months, abansa to force nko physical baby nya bia 150 nko to efema Cocobod nko to cocoa no. Na me cocoa no ko kratch ni wa. Kratch ni say 3 months e bank menya 3600 na de menya 2005. Does it make sense to you?
Na kratch no so aban na say o mani sika.
Edebeto.
Na aban ama kratch.
Aban ama kratch ni sika. Ba kratch ni explanation de man say me 1000 is what in 3 months na dan aban say current price 190%. You see, the reason why I'm taking this angle, and I always say, on this channel, you never know principles me support to police brutalities.
Yeah.
2, nurse for teacher for pay ekema me nke bi maman. E bucket you asema de bia was stand with the poor.
Yeah.
It's mama ya ben you can speak all your English and comment however you want to comment. But akwa be systematically. Me say 3 months in the cocoa. me ko kratch na de bia me ko ton koko sika ni ho Cocobod de ma me sika edimintimi nto na ni koko ni kofie aban aba wa emergency cabinet meeting o se yen face kan kotum ni nkoto koko no afi koko na nka menya 3006 aban so mam 2005 adan ya world price aba funa mka say no kre ba kokwa can you believe that the NBC can go down and communicate this to farmers? Why wasn't Cocobod able to buy the cocoa 3 months ago? Why? That is the problem.
And then at that time,
you see, you shouldn't communicate and make it seem, oh, I'm buying cry this one man in 90%. It is nonsense in the minds of the farmers.
Yeah.
Me say 3 months, you know, multimedia, me know why you juma. My bum juma, my clocking in, my baye in Sri FMD, my yellow baby, I go tell you. Now, what was it? November, me pray ama. December ama. January ama. What the bar marcha? Osi enkade bia mi tia opay na me te 20 cedi e de to achi 20 cedi me nya ante me de amang akwa does that rationalize that 3 months oma koma de me no? Why wasn't Cocobod able to pay or buy the cocoa 3 months ago? Why?
That's a big question.
Because Cocobod is poorly managed. And one I'm against say they are drink kwa here. The catch was say when I was doing my masters, one thing I'm grateful for, I don't go to school say certificate, because my first certificate in any demand. But school helps you to make deductive reasoning.
Yeah.
Akwa hade me catch was a problem started 2023. Ya kwaje sika yentimen deliver cocoa ya committee say be deliver 787,000 tons.
Yeah.
You deliver just 430. It's MPP ka problem no. I've established that I don't want to go into the back kwa hade. Ato force na speech obe kanchire ye no.
Yeah.
Tini kosi why Cocobod was not able to do what? To deliver and buy the cocoa. Or say, this is Cocobod. A careful review of the cocoa sector will review gross mismanagement, which required immediate and comprehensive reform to address challenges in the sector. Ato force in speech or say, cocoa sector no better last 8 years. It was not just mismanaged, it was gross. And because it be a gross mismanagement, now say a born no one abroso.
Yeah.
Ato force in Eka say. Or say, cabinet has therefore decided to make the reform. Remember reform senator. It was say Cocobod. Look at the Cocobod financial state as we speak. Or say, Cocobod currently owes the Ministry of Finance 3.7 billion cedis, which arose the conversion of non-marketable cocoa bush into the Bank of Ghana another 10-year loan of 1.3 billion.
Hey.
Okay. It is common sense to say enya randia bi and amahama be no abebro sa akawe aguo. The issue is that if this crisis didn't come, that 8 months na randia bi te hon ko March. Sa 8 months na to force na short for as a sector under the finance ministry. Now President Mahama nya cabinet briefings, what did they do?
At that time so now a world prices didn't drop so drastically.
Akwa me say o say 3 months ago, send now we took cocoa because the cocoa season began in August 2025. Now it's on 3,600. And then world price number from market was a no credit.
Yeah.
It will turn 2005. What's 90%? So I turn 3,000, I'm 70%. And I'm saying, I'm asking there. You can no credit.
Yeah.
But I'm saying that why weren't you able to buy 3 months ago? Because Cocobod is poorly managed. You should poorly manage. The finance minister describes as grossly mismanaged because Cocobod the car. Finance ministry 3.7 billion. Bank of Ghana 1.3 billion. Into 8 years, you know, say crisis we are mad. Then I'm not buy for front year.
Yeah.
You told you back abroso. You say abroso. What any single prosecution? What any single criminal process until today? Amahama Ebeka said. Now you see why I'm saying this is part of the problem.
Yeah.
Because if you have a malady, oh yare. Utina yoya. Now hospital now say a syphilis. I be syphilis edro.
Yeah.
Ome a year procurement. Ome bro can you go no be able to say why are you complaining? Why are you championing for farmers? In the last 8 years was Cocobod profitable. Na kokwa sabe the greatest of you say to name say say metra Cocobod profitable.
Yeah.
It was somebody's job So if that person didn't do that job, why are we not holding that person responsible?
Yeah.
I got a problem here, woman. If somebody was supposed to do his job, I got Cocobod man away. Mamma tell Cocobod the Juma away. No, only the mandate now make catch there one to protect farmers. I got has farmers been protected. As we speak today in Cocobod near Mekos, has farmers been protected? Two, they were to stabilize the cocoa sector. If the cocoa sector stabilized, I go ahead. According to Autoforce, Shadia and Sakrana Masamba board, Shadia Cocobod. As we speak, Cocobod liabilities when it comes to road and Kwan, 4.35 billion Ghana cedis. Between 2014 to 2024, a car na Cocobod aye road on my ward and aye 26.5 billion. Akokwa, sa in some food, some mismanagement. And Kosu and Cocobod made to Coco no 3,000 sets and not 3 months ago.
Yeah.
This is the genesis of the problem.
Even so, we now Kosu and Kenny Crown.
It is mismanagement.
Even though price
Jude Bags and Amokoto, but catch there. Who has been called to answer questions?
It be cry go, you see, I got on for saying 10 years was the same.
Who has been called to answer questions for these things? It's a crisis where you are man. Catopos in your speech. Where are to force in speech? You see the problem? It would be a question. When I go catch a farmer, it's 90%, the 1,000 actually in space of 3 months. And you see, that is why we could come bro for your case. And you say, Namahama, Shaban. Why are you begging? If indeed you believe in the submission you are making, say, woman, 90%. That is the problem. Even in these times, what matter cars? One thing.
Yeah.
Do you see the explanation there? But does it make sense to you?
For operations.
Does it make sense to you? In times of austerity. Aqua, yeah, 79 no more than 30% Cocobod the other. You see a toba, yes, really shoot. Look at our production levels. Look at it. Look at our production levels. Now, Coco will be Juma. Now, said I know Tico man 5 years ago, a swim high by almost 50%. And to force him by was a so Cocobod salary, stop management, and full allowance. Salary a chum. One day be a mechanic. You know, now what to a young piaba. But the mechanic was when they make the bad decisions and mismanage the sector. Men I know what form one, and you're better. You're around there, what is your TP? And people for and one here do. On the Bama could also more cabin 8 years ago. Or 8 years, and what I said one here do Cocobod in the car. Wajina get Yako. LEV behind this balance sheet. Now you're a private man, will you manage your private business like this? Will you keep paying people millions and billions of cedis? Our salaries and conditions when they manage your sector like this? But because of political expediency, you better support it. You better preserve by 90%.
Yeah.
But forgetting the systemic issues, because why wasn't Cocobod able to buy the beans 3 months ago? That's the question. That is the analysis.
Yeah.
Why are we able to do that? 8 years in here, also be a broker 3.7 billion. Was it due to mismanagement? Who has been called to one? Me not say a journalist. What is here from Cocobod to me using Biano until this issue came? Because we need some Muslim baby. Now what's wrong? As some member where they all catch all this 1 year. Before the promise of Ora, 1 year ni after nearby forensic audit into Cocobod. Now what around the sector say? Now for Jibua. Me will say to my day. I dare Kupuku kind. Some was more than 90%. I could say to the cocoa farmers, we offer our sincerest apologies for the painful decision made today. I was over there when Sebo Kakwana Dana Hanu to Muni Yashum. Now they come out and say, Jomama say Muni or Mamma 90. Now go for Mamma 70%. To Mamma 90%. Better sounds. Better sounds. Okay, my submission is that say 90 say 70 near catching. Cocobod should put it into productive sectors of the economy. So that when the times are hard, they will be able to protect the farmer. They will stabilize the sector. and they will deliver quality beans. That is the core mandate of Cocobod. And open new documents, you know. Do you know the conditions of service of the staff of Cocobod, the senior management? How many farmers make that? How many farmers drive in the cars that they drive in? What do? Just manage. You have a monopoly to cocoa. To cocoa now. Transport I would cocoa ni free baby a free beer port. A price now. Would you do ship with your price? Ya Tony Aboka. Didn't ya? Ya awarded road contract 24 billion. Ya Kojilo Bank of Ghana 1.3 billion. Ya Bank of Ghana Kojilo 1.2 billion. Men of Kojiji is Abesiana. Men of awarded our contracts now. Who are the people behind these things? What questions is the state demanding of them? I told force I say 150 million. I told force and then Risika. And our President Mahama, the gaze of his no Lodina Zika near Kofabidi say Jumanana. Me know taxes. 140 be a beer. In Quebec, critic school be a baby and Yabiako. 150 be a basic hospital map Biakono. We are going to use it to solve the incompetence. This is Force's description. Gross mismanagement of the sector.
Adia me yana say, whilst you face crisis no. Airdrop production dropping, funds banso dropping, and that's where we're issuing contracts. As if say, yeah,
but you know why? What can you say? Obiting the came the more fool,
and we have betrayed them. Did you? But me, I don't care. Because
you see, this is here almost some day bay. Did we need all this time to know? Say. Ghana cocoa sector. Just Google the value of the cocoa industry. Ghana every year near roughly 2 billion syndicated loan.
Right.
Meanwhile, we produce about between 35% of the world cocoa beans.
Yeah.
They say buying 50-50 or turn 50 around no 50 value addition. And that is where we will get the right revenue for the cocoa industry. How you fixing mismanagement now. Because the firm will be easy chiba. The 30% nana Cocobod fano. No the other. So the best so farmers nothing. Na bremu ye dia. And kwede wapega. Cocobod ni misa nyina be no betimi ayesa because sika no ma mismanage no. And I'm saying that whoever was supposed to do something at Cocobod, who couldn't do it, whoever mismanaged Cocobod and was so drawing salary, these people must answer questions. I quite didn't have my ECG example. Me no buy a tariff. What's the reasons from the mind?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, yes, it could be 5 cities. No, I could be 10. Could be 6. Yeah, I understand your friend the Public Accounts Committee. Near to turn and you are no co. BBNC. So when you have such mindset, when you have people who come to public office, and some are king. Data media, why shouldn't he be answering questions by now? Men can't say I'm coaching into me say answering questions.
It's taking almost a year.
And then how would you cocoa contract to Nims Aqua? Hey, I don't cast to force in it. You know one thing, then I could open Comeka. Say, see, contract to be a would remember Biano. You need to provide clear sources of funding for that.
Yeah.
Tako kwa ni mnente oba wodi kuku rules no. Na wa je 10%. Na e kana e brugu. Let's not forget the contractor no. Ye bia wuntimi ntua sa abesia no.
A ridiculous.
Interest be ka ho. But no de o san ye nko anti wa je 5%. Oko o de akọ one down so. Na Ghana na ebre. And we cannot keep the script. We cannot keep this script. We need to do more to protect the cocoa farmer. Woman and 90% by our patron didn't have a call 3 million reasons and it doesn't make sense. And I proving it to my Trinity Cote, but I do rock. I said, yes, and a mamma person per mom, and yes, and a mamma nearby, and oh, buy and 1 year. Why are they about the sector?
Yeah,
we need to start questioning people. We need to punish wrong. How quite should him so easy say oba beg you mama oba yanya open one your salary now call. That shouldn't be the status quo. We must do things differently. So I may reform somebody ban. Me madam for boy Greek economies okay no as me busano. Eugene, that's the solution. Value addition.
Yeah.
By now Cocobod can so chocolate. Yet in 1947 akoko 47. That's the 53. Or the 26 can one. Cocobod is what? It's over 80 years. Around 80 years. Let the answer wa kwaje besi.
Na wo akora wuntimi nya. Ete said the Samija mfimu yi.
Refinery.
Gold boss.
Yeah.
Enye a bank company nko. But he has involved other companies or refinery no.
Yeah.
So Cocobod we enye nene yes
Cocobod adwuma no menye hu aso me bibia
condition I say
Cocobod adwuma na kokko menye hu aso me bibia no Cocobod ndo koko obi do koko na o man fertilizer kra de man kra na hene o man jude bag na wati koko no tema wa no man krofa kototama na wa koton enu ani hu ye adwuma we boka ye adwuma we boka hezika to for sekeka we okọ Bank of Ghana he o se Bank of Ghana de ke da ho then 1.3 billion okọ finance minister 3.7 billion okọ road sector 24 billion
ibetu yanzo
adey ni abruka we ni party ho how kwa the difference between your adwuma private sector all my life I've worked in the private sector there's no way someone will run kwasuchum business
and do this
no mo atra ho
private sector no mpene ma but adeba ko etwa ma adwene mu sesia was even ECGDA CA
exactly.
Car by energy sector de ya be ma ye energy one levy a ye tua wo fuel so ye tua kano ba besi nei
obi ansan bibia
ye nye obi ario enti yana we enkosi hwe that's what I'm saying enkosi we
akokwa san ko omo commitment so be bibia 1 year go nka omo bank omo ye
enkosi we bra investigation be ekoye den the container procure gu a yakohu a ye yikra
akokwa media ahana I don't know why politicians fail to learn but akokwa they need to be careful and the NDC must watch their communication. They must watch their. As an observation I made, there's too much complacency in communication. Ya more than 90%. Mama clear example. Menye bone. We do koko no mati koko. November na me ko jisika. E dia ko di Christmas. Me ko cratch ni sisken ho Cocobod man discount. Kwa ko ni say go board there. Cocobod na ma cratch phone ska no ma kototo then aggregate and bring it to Cocobod. O sisika ni wo. Na me koko ni kofi. Ana me bo ban champion di bronya. Ana mati announcement so waban so the coach scam kwa fem kwa krachi ni say about 2005 can you free so adanya cha 3006 na no ye 70% of FOB price and then 90% yaban so ayade akwa really really
serious
ekwe cha no wo eyi no manso ba bi odokoko no mfa na sa ma galamsey for akwa si even at a time akoko for na de wonsa asema galamsey cause what the galamsey ni sika wo musin ni oye
seriously
it all come back to the sector of Cocobod and akokwa maybe that is where the government must look at it from prosecute people for doing wrong, let people answer questions for their stewardship with the BCR.
Eugene Osei-Tutu the fact checker, Meda CP Nhyira 104.5.